Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beach-themed holiday wreath. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is take my wreath, and I'm just going to take the netting and I'm going to just wrap the netting around. And I would use a glue gun, but we haven't had a lot of luck with glue guns when I'm on set, so I'm going to actually use a easiyt. And I'm just going to wrap this around and take another easiyt, and just put this here, bring this piece here, and so you can see I'm just attaching it to the back so we have the netting there. And I'm going to put this aside, and actually I'm going to put one more easiyt on here. And this is going to make a really beautiful holiday beach theme wreath. So I'm going to take my netted wreath and put this to the side. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra, and I'm going to use silver Bowdabra bow wire for this project. And I'm going to just fold my wire in half and give it a cut. I want to make sure I have enough wire so that I can tie my bow onto my wreath. And I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take my picks, lay them in. And we're going to take another pick and lay that in here. Then I have these beautiful picks that are beaded. My easiyt's out of the way. Lay those in here. Take another one and lay that in here. Now, what I love, this is actually a loofah. And whoops, it wants to get caught on everything. So it's actually a loofah that we undid and tied knots to the end to keep it from unraveling and fraying. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to leave a piece that's long enough to be a nice sized tail and just fold it back and forth. And it's amazing because you can buy these loofahs at dollar store or at your grocery store for about $1. And it makes a nice, big, beautiful bow that really works for the beachy theme. And we're just going to fold this back in here and take one more, lay that down in there. Then I'm going to take my burlap rose, I'm going to lay that right down in the center, and I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring it up, pull it through the slip knot. So you can see how really simple this is. You pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Now I'm going to take it out of the Bowdabra, and I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie it off. Just bring this here, and I'm just going to tie it and tie a knot. Then I'm going to take my wreath, and I'm going to bring this over here, and I'm just going to tie this onto my wreath. What do I do with my bow wire? Get this here. Whoops, this loofah is getting in the way of everything. So now I'm going to just take this here, tie a knot, and we're going to double knot it. And bring this around, and then I'm probably going to take some my glue gun, and I'm going to glue this on here. Then I'm going to just separate this, take my glue gun again, but I'm going to use a easiyt here, and I'm just going to take this tail, bring this through the netting, and take this and just easiyt that on there. Then I'm going to take my other tail, and I'm going to again take another easiyt and put that there. Then I have my three. Now again, I would glue this on, but because I'm working without a glue gun, I'm going to use my easyts to attach everything. So I'm going to take my 3 shells and just easiyt those on here, and take another easiyt and put this here, and and that's going to hold them. And then I have one more little shell that we're just going to put here. And now we have this absolutely beautiful beach-themed holiday wreath. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.